National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Bollinger County, Missouri, western Scott County, Missouri, southwestern Cape Girardeau County, Missouri, northeastern Stoddard County, Missouri, until 2:45 p.m. At 2:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bloomfield, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Bell City around 2:35 p.m. Orrin, Morley, and Haywood City around 2:45 p.m. This includes Interstate 55 between mile marker 66 and 67. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Bollinger, Cape Girardeau, Scott, and Stoddard.